Hello, hello, and welcome. You are in video number 5 in our affiliate marketing series, and I am just super excited to share a little bit more tonight about how to find the affiliates that you want to have for your business. And we talked in the last video about searching for affiliate networks, where it's like a community of many different affiliates, and you can find the category that fits for your business. In this video, we are going to be exploring how to find companies and brands that are not maybe in a affiliate network. So hang tight. We will dig into that, and I will also at the end tell you something pretty exciting that you can get involved in if you haven't already, to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level. And in case this is your first time visiting our channel and seeing this video, my name is Dana Hagstrom, and my husband David and I run AskDavidnDana.com, where we empower the home business professional with effective breakthrough strategies to boost your home business success. And affiliate marketing is one of those great ways that you can add income streams to your business. Whether you're doing network marketing or coaching, or have a storefront, maybe you're a realtor, or selling something of your own. Maybe you make jewelry. Whatever your business is, affiliate marketing is one of those things that kind of can complement any business. So how do you find a company? We will start by looking at Amazon. Let us just click Amazon.com. That is a big company, and just to let you know, they have a great affiliate program. But when you first go to their website, you might be a little lost on where to look exactly. What you want to do on any company website like this, scroll down to the bottom. Scroll down to the bottom and take a look at what they have in each of your sections. Sometimes you'll be looking for an About Us section, but here they make it easy on Amazon. Become an affiliate. Boom! You would click on that and it will take you, so you can join now for free, and all of the information that you would need to become an Amazon affiliate is here. I've showed you that one of the best affiliates that are out there, because unless they've changed this, once you have sent a visitor to Amazon using your affiliate link for some product that you are representing, that person is cookied to you for that whole visit. So let's say you sent them there to look for pet food. They went, saw the pet food, and maybe they added it to their cart. Great, you're going to get a affiliate commission, but while they're there, they're going to fill their cart with this or this or this, and maybe that $50 purchase becomes a $200 purchase on that visit. Guess what? You get affiliate profit on the whole order. So that's a beautiful thing. We're talking about cookies, and that is something that you will want to be looking for as an affiliate, is to find out how long your affiliate link that you've given to someone is good for, basically. That cookie duration could be typically 30 days, but some affiliates, one that we're involved with, has a cookie for life, and that's pretty exciting. I send somebody to our affiliate program, and maybe they don't buy the first time, but the next time they would visit, they're cookie to us no matter what. So that's a beautiful thing. So be on the lookout for what that cookie duration for your affiliate might be. So Amazon is one big, huge company with a lot of different items that you could get an affiliate link for. And so I would say that is probably a good company to have some affiliates with. Now, that was one. Walmart, that's another big one. Target, another big one. Go to the same thing. Go to the bottom and see if they have an affiliate product. Now, you can really do this for your own niche as well. So let's let's just open up a new window here. Let's say your niche is exercise equipment. So what you would simply do, you can type in exercise equipment and affiliate programs and hit go and see what comes up. You could also do that with any name of a company and affiliate programs. But let's see what we've got here. Well, we've got ads here. So I had said, I think in our prior training, to kind of ignore the ads and go down and see what we've got below. Now we've got best affiliate programs. You might find something there. Here, top 10 fitness equipment affiliate programs. There you go. You would click on that and you're starting to do some research on what affiliates you might find. Fitbit. That's a very, very popular fitness equipment company that a lot of people have familiarity with, right? The rest of them, not so much. However, the affiliate programs for these may have some benefits that maybe Fitbit doesn't have. You know, things you're going to want to look for, you know, what's the commission? You know, what sort of products do they have that they will allow you to be an affiliate for? How does it work? How often are you paid? Things like that. And in our next video, we're going to talk about getting paid and some of the other things that you might want to have on a checklist for finding the best affiliates, knowing what to look for. So I hope that gives you a little information about how you might find a company. You know, simply type in the niche and affiliate programs and you will likely find something in the search results that will help you. And again, if you go to Fitbit, let's just do that. It's going to take us right to the right place. They gave us a URL and everything, but if it hadn't, if we'd just gone to fitbit.com, you always would want to, you know, scroll to the bottom and look for something about here or affiliate. It shouldn't be too hard to find. Companies have great incentive to have affiliates. If they have affiliates, they're going to certainly pay you some amount of money to bring more traffic, to bring people in the door to buy their product. So it might be something you want to think about, a product that you already use, that you love. Find out if you can have an affiliate for it. And if it's congruent with what you're selling in your business, you can certainly add those kind of products to your website or your landing page or however you are going to transmit your offers to people. Another perfect way to find affiliates would be to ask when you're a customer of something. Let's say you've bought a training course. We've done that. David and I have bought many training courses, and a lot of those are, you know, by these marketing professionals who offer affiliate programs on that very course. So if we are able to bring people to them to buy that same course, we are going to get some sort of a percentage of the commission just for sending, you know, friends that we knew would also benefit from the course that we've taken. So always ask when you buy something if they have some sort of affiliate partnership program available. Of course, a lot of these folks that have these courses and affiliate programs, they are looking for you to sell for them. That could be anything from tools to resources, courses, products, events. David and I have a lot of tools that we use in our business, and we are always looking to make sure that we have the affiliate links that we need so that we can, you know, share that with people that we're working with. We can make a little money here and a little money there. It's all about the extra income streams and using what you know about affiliate marketing to help you and grow your business. Well, that's what I have for sharing with you today on how to find companies. Well, I hope that you got value from this and you got the little wheels turning of the different companies that you might want to go research to see if they have an affiliate program that will give you products that will be congruent and that will fit with the business model that you have. And as I promised at the beginning of this video, if you want to dig in a little bit deeper to the affiliate marketing process and how to set up your business just so, we've got a 15-day challenge that we would love to share with you. We've gone through it, and the things that we've learned in that challenge have really helped us in knowing how to market better, just in general, but with an eye towards affiliate marketing. So I will put that link down in the description of this video. Be sure to jump over and take a peek at that as well. And again, be watching for video number 6. That will be talking about how you get paid as an affiliate marketer. And until then, have a great day and really go out and crush your business.